Whoa, now today I'm gonna be heading to Southeast Dallas to check out an Infiniti Q56. It was having a no crank start issue. It also stalled out, so they had it towed to the house. Put it on the engine scanner and it said P0335, which indicates that it's a malfunction with the crankshaft sensor. And usually when that sensor goes out, it'll definitely cause those issues that he had. So we're gonna fix it. On these 5.6 engines, the crank sensor is actually located on the transmission bell housing. So all you have to do is find the oil pan and look up from there, and it's right there. Just push that tab in and it comes right out. There's a 10mm right there. Alright, new sensor installed. Make sure that connection goes back on tight. I'm gonna check all these fluids first before I start it up. Let's try jumping it off. There we go. All right, we got it running. That's all it needed was a crank sensor. Check the fluids on it. Oil was at the right level. Coolant was at the right level. I'd recommend replacing the negative battery cable. Brakes look like they recently got replaced. That noise there is a blend door actuator. All right, it's been running for about 10 minutes. Double check to see if there was any pending codes, and everything looks good. It's a nice truck. Very nice. So now we on to the next one.